Most outdoor chairs let you sit. The best zero-gravity lounge chairs actually let you relax. The difference? Better support, smoother recline, and comfort that lasts for hours. Today on Best Product, we're counting down the top 5 best zero-gravity lounge chairs that truly help you unwind, and one of them feels like floating. If you're just getting started and want something comfortable without overcomplicating things, the Backyard Expressions Deluxe Zero Gravity Lounge Chair is an easy entry point. The 21-inch wide padded seat gives you more room than basic mesh models, and the cushioning makes a noticeable difference during long afternoons outside. The reclining system moves smoothly into a zero-gravity position and locks securely once you find your angle. The weather-resistant polyester fabric holds up well outdoors, and the detachable tray with cup holders and device slots adds everyday convenience. The thick padding is its biggest strength, especially for extended lounging. The folding design also makes transport simple. Because of the added cushioning and tray, it's slightly bulkier than minimalist models, and while durable, the frame isn't built for heavier weight limits compared to higher-ranked options. Climbing a step higher, the Nestl Zero Gravity Lounge Chair feels lighter and more breathable. The mesh fabric allows airflow on hot days, which makes a real difference in summer. It reclines smoothly using body weight and locks firmly in place. The removable padded headrest and ergonomic armrest enhance comfort without adding excess weight. The accessory tray keeps drinks and devices within reach, and the foldable design makes it great for travel, beach days, or sporting events. Breathability is the standout feature here. It's comfortable for warm climates and easy to carry. However, it relies more on mesh support rather than thick padding, so it may not feel as plush as cushioned models. Weight capacity is also moderate compared to heavy-duty chairs. Now we're entering serious comfort territory with the Suteck Zero Gravity Lounge Chair. Built with reinforced 40mm steel tubing, it supports up to 440 pounds, giving it a solid, stable feel. The upgraded aluminum locking system allows smooth adjustment between 90 and 170 degrees with secure deep grooves. A 4-inch thick removable cushion adds real softness, and the breathable Texlan fabric underneath improves airflow. It sits higher off the ground, which enhances the zero-gravity effect and makes standing up easier. Strength and support are major advantages here. The thick cushion makes it feel more premium. It is heavier than slimmer models, so portability takes a slight hit. Still, for backyard relaxation and durability, it feels extremely dependable. Things get more balanced with the Amazon Basics Zero Gravity Lounge Chair. It focuses on simplicity and reliability. The powder-coated steel frame combined with double bungee suspension provides steady support up to 300 pounds. The Textility fabric holds up well outdoors and dries quickly. The padded headrest offers neck support, and the smooth reclining mechanism makes transitions effortless. It folds flat in seconds, making it one of the easiest chairs to store and transport. Its simplicity is a real strength, fewer extras, fewer complications. It's lightweight and practical for everyday use. On the other hand, it lacks thick cushioning and advanced locking upgrades found in higher-end models. Comfort is solid, but not as plush as the premium picks. At the top of this list, the ever-advanced zero-gravity lounge chair stands out with its oversized, spacious design. The 22-inch wide seat and 72-inch fully extended length make it ideal for taller users up to 6 feet 2 inches. With a 350-pound weight capacity, it feels strong yet roomy. The fully padded seat and backrest provide excellent comfort, and the adjustable pillow works as either a headrest or lumbar support. The reclining system adjusts between 0 and 170 degrees and locks securely, giving you flexible lounging positions. The extra space is the biggest advantage here. It simply feels more open and accommodating. Padding adds long-lasting comfort. It's slightly larger when folded compared to compact models, but that trade-off brings superior comfort and roominess. If I had to choose one overall, I'd go with the Ever Advanced. It strikes the best balance between size, comfort, support, and adjustability, especially for taller or larger users. It feels spacious without becoming overly bulky. That said, if maximum weight capacity or ultra portability is your priority, another option here might fit you better. Now I want to hear from you. Which chair would you relax in all summer? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like if this helped, and subscribe to Best Product for more honest comparisons. You'll find all the purchase links waiting in the description.